Our next topic is about the angle between two curves. So, let's say we have a problem here. Find the acute angle of intersection between the curves x squared equals 8y and xy equals 8. So, para ma-visualize nyo yun, ito yung graph niya. Para dun sa function na x squared equals 8y, ang itsura niya is a parabola, opens upward. Ito siya, yung black. And then, yung function naman natin na xy equals 8, ito siya, yung kulay red. So, itong curve. Yan yung xy equals 8. So, ang tinatanong sa atin, ilan yung sukat nung acute angle dun sa intersection ng dalawang curve. So, ito yung point of intersection niya, di ba? So, base sa idea ng differential calculus, para daw malaman natin yung angle between or the acute angle of intersection between the two curves, equivalent daw yun sa angle between their tangents at this point of intersection. So, kapag nag-draw tayo ng tangent line dun sa dalawang curve. So, let's say, ito-draw natin yung tangent line kay curve x squared equals 8y. So, i-draw natin yung i-draw natin yung tangent line kay x squared equals 8y. So, bawa ito siya. So, yan. So, dapat nag-touch lang siya dun at exactly 1 point. So, let's say ito yung first tangent natin dun sa curve x squared equals 8y. So, tangent 1. And then, another tangent na idodraw natin is yung tangent naman kay curve xy equals 8. So, ganito. So, we have yan. So, kapag nakapag-draw ka na daw nung tangent dun sa dalawang curve, so, ito siya yung hinahanap nating angle between dun sa dalawang curve. So, paano natin siya applyan ng differential? So, unang step para ma-determine natin yung acute angle between the two curves. So, yung first step is determine muna natin yung point of intersection. So, find the point of intersection. So, paano ba yun? So, ang gagawin lang natin, ipag-i-equate natin yung dalawang equation. So, di ba yung dalawang function natin, x squared equals 8y, then xy equals 8. So, bale, i-equal lang natin siya. So, halimbawa, i-express natin siya pareho in terms ng y. So, ito, magiging siyang y is equal to x squared over 8. So, samantalang itong pangalawang function natin, magiging siyang y equals 8 over x. So, y equals y. So, x squared over 8 is equal to 8 over x. So we have x cubed equals 64. Then, cube root of 64 is 4. So, yung value ng x natin is 4. And then, paano naman natin makuha yung value ng y? So, substitute lang natin kahit aling equation dito. So, halimbawa ito yung ginamit kong equation, y is equal to 4 squared over 8. So, we have 16 over 8 is 2. So, therefore, yung point of intersection natin dito is 0.42 pala. So, nakuha na natin yung point of intersection. The next step is kunin natin yung slope ng mga tangent nila. Kasi nga, sabi, yung magiging point of intersection nila, yung acute angle of intersection between two curves is equivalent daw sa slope ng mga tangent nila. So, we have this formula. So, di ba, na-discuss ko na yung M, which is yung slope. So, kunin lang natin yung slope ng the slope ng unang curve and then yung pangalawa. So, di ba, recall lang natin. So, kunin natin to get the slope of the first function, yung para kay x squared equals 8y. So, ang gagawin natin, i-derive lang natin to. So, we have the derivative of x squared equals the derivative of 8y. So, we have 2x equals 8y prime. So, di ba yung y prime natin is yung slope natin. So, we have 2x over 8. So, we have 2 times, substitute na natin yung, ang isa-substitute ditong value is yung manggagaling dun sa point of intersection. So, ang value ng x natin sa point of intersection is 4. So, we have y prime is equal to 1. Or yung slope 1 natin is equal to 1. So, to get the slope of the second curve, so we have x, y equals 8. So, implicit differentiation tayo dito. So, we have x, y prime plus x equals 0. So, we have y prime is equal to negative x over x. This is equal to negative 1. So, yung slope naman ng pangalawa is negative 1. May na-miss out pala ako dito. Mali pala tong, wait lang. So, derivative, sa product rule pala, x, derivative ng y is y prime. So, ang i-derive naman natin is x. Therefore, we have y here. So, we have y prime is equal to negative y over x. So, negative y is, ano yung isa-substitute natin sa y? Yung value dun sa point of intersection, which is 2. And then, yung x is 4. So, we have negative 1/2. So, ito yung value ng slope nun sa second curve. So, pakirecall na lang tayo ng implicit differentiation. So, para hindi na pala sana mag-apply ng implicit dito, pwede naman nating i-equate na sa directly sa y equals 8 over x or x raised to negative 1. So, pag dinerive natin to y prime directly, we can have the value. So, 8, negative 1 times x raised to negative 2. So, pag sinimplify natin to, x is 4 raised to negative 2. So, we have negative 8 over square root of 4 dito. So, tama ba? 4 squared pala dito sa ilalim, hindi square root. 4 squared. So, negative 8 over 16, negative 1 half pa rin. So, nagtali naman. Kahit anong method, okay lang gamitin. So, i-take note ko na lang dito. So, nakuha nating slope for the first tangent is 1. And then, dun sa second tangent is negative 1 half. So, erasing ko na to. So, pagdating dito, substitute na lang tayo. So, we have tangent phi is equal to m sub 2 is negative 1 half minus m sub 1, 1 all over 1 plus negative, positive 1 times negative 1 half. So, we have negative 3 halves over 1 minus 1 half. Therefore, we have 1 half. Or, tangent phi is equal to negative 3. So, hindi pa yan yung angle na hinahanap natin. So, para makuha mo yung angle, we have arctan, arctangent, negative 3. So, pag in-input nyo siya sa calculator, siguraduhin yung yung mode ninyo is naka-degree. Ito, sa pag-mode, shift, mode, degree, number 3. So, para pag nag-shift tan kayo, arctan, negative 3, yung ilalabas na sagot is in degrees. Naka-degree form. So, pag hindi yan naka-degree radian, dapat kailangan nyo pang i-convert siya. So, yung lumabas is negative 71.57. Negative 71.57 degrees. So, dito pala, kapag kinukuha natin yung acute angle, so, nakalimutan ko, dapat meron ditong absolute value function. Kasi nga, kumbaga, ang kinukuha lang naman natin is difference. So, i-absolute natin to. So, we have 71.57 degrees. Yan. So, kumbaga parang nauna lang yung mas mababa or mas malaki, kaya nagkaroon ng negative sign ng negative dito. Pero, neglect na yung sign dito pagdating sa dulo kasi may absolute value function tayo. Pero, pag substitute nyo nung mga slope, i-consider pa rin yung sign. Doon lang sa final answer tayo kukuha ng absolute value. So, yun lang yung sa acute angle or angle between two curves. Another example. So, we have find the acute angle between the given curves. So, yung dalawang equation is x squared plus y squared equals 5. So, yung first equation natin is a circle. Ito namang pangalawa, y squared equals 4x plus 8 is a parabola ulit na yung origin niya is wala sa center. Yung center, yung vertex niya wala sa origin pala. So, ito lang yung pinakatatandaan yung formula, para makuha yung angle between two curves. So, paki-take note nito. So, ulitin natin yung process. So, first step is kunin yung angle of intersection. Paano nga ulit makuha yung angle of point of intersection? So, i-equate lang natin siya sa isa't isa. I-equal lang natin. Let's say, x equals x or y equals y. So, dito, may term silang magkapareho na y squared. So, mas madali kung i-equal natin silang dalawa in terms ng y squared. So, yung first equation natin, i-transform ko into y squared equals 5 minus x squared. Then, itong second equation, no need na. So, para makuha yung point of intersection, y squared equals y squared. So, we have 5 minus x squared equals 4x plus 8. So, now, ang gagawin na natin is solve for x. So, now we have x squared plus 4x plus 8 minus 5 is 3. So, we have a quadratic equation here, meaning dalawa yung roots ni x. So, hanapin natin ngayon yung roots ni x dito. So, pwedeng ang gawin natin is yung by parang as factor. Ifa-factor natin to. So, ano nga ba yung factor dito na magre-resulta sa ganitong equation? So, di ba yung technique ng factoring is, alamin mo kung ano yung dalawang integer na pag pinag-multiply is ito yung kalalabasan, and then pag pinag-add, it positive 4 naman. So, pwede yung 3 times 1, di ba? So, pag pinag-times mo yung 3 at 1, positive 3. And then, pag pinag-plus mo yung 3 and 1 is positive 4. So, we have the factor x plus 3 and x plus 1. So, yung roots ng x natin is negative 3 and negative 1. So, ibig sabihin, meron tayong dalawang point of intersection. So, una, kunin natin yung magiging value ni y kapag si x ay negative 3. So, ang gagawin ko lang yung x na negative 3, isa-substitute ko dito sa equation na to. So, we have y squared equals 5 minus x squared, 5 minus negative 3 squared, and then y squared pa rin dito. So, we have equals 5 plus 5 minus 9. So, we have 5 minus 9 is negative 4. So, kapag kinuha natin yung value ni y, imaginary number siya dito. Kasi, di ba, wala tayong square root ng negative number. So, magiging siyang positive negative 2 ay ang sagot. So, hindi natin to gagamitin kasi ang kukunin lang natin is yung may mga real number yung sagot. So, hindi pala tayo makakuha ng point of intersection dito sa value ni x equals negative 3. So, try natin yung magiging value ni y kapag si x is negative 1. So, we have y squared equals 5 minus x squared. So, we have 5 minus negative 1 squared. So, we have 5 minus positive 1 na to. So, we have 4. So, pag kinuha natin si y, positive and negative 2 yung sagot. So, dito, ibig sabihin pala, ang intersection, ang point of intersection is si negative 1 and 2, and then negative 1 and negative 2 yung magiging point of intersection natin. So, bali dalawa yung point of intersection. So, kahit alin dun sa dalawa yung gamitin, pareho lang yung magiging sagot. Try natin. So, una, ito yung gamitin nating point of intersection. So, isolve na natin yung using yung itong first point of intersection natin na negative 1, and 2. Sunod, ito yung second point of intersection, negative 1, negative 2. So, try muna natin itong pang-unang point of intersection. So, pag nakuha na yung point of intersection, ano yung next step? So, i-determine natin yung slope ng mga tangent ng bawat curve. So, yung first curve natin, which is x squared plus y squared equals 5. So, pag kinuha natin yung slope niya, so we have to get the first derivative. So, we have 2x plus 2y, y prime equals 0. So, y prime is equal to negative 2x over 2y. So, substitute tayo ng value dito. Saan manggagaling yung value na isa-substitutes? So, galing dun sa point of intersection, we have negative 2 times negative 1 over 2. Yung y is 2. So, we have positive 2 over 4. We have 1 half. So, sa second curve, which is y squared equals 4x plus 8. So, kunin din natin. So, ito na yung m1 natin, ano? And then, for m2, so we have to get the first derivative. 2y prime equals 4. Then, y prime is equal to 4 over 2y, which is equal to 4 over 2 times y is, yung y natin is 2. So, we have 4 over 4 equals 1. So, therefore, ito yung m sub 2 natin. So, pag sinubstitute natin dun, so we have the tangent phi is equal to the absolute value of m sub 2, 1 minus m sub 1 is 1 half all over 1 plus 1 times 1 half. So, we have 1 half over 1 plus 1 half is 3 halves. So, we have 1/3. So, yung theta natin or phi is equal to the arc tangent of 1/3. So, the angle between the two curve is equal to arc tan 1 over 3, 18.43 degrees. 18.43 degrees. So, try naman natin yung pangalawang intersection. So, ito yung second point of intersection. So, try natin kunin yung mga slope ng tangent nila dito sa point na to. So, anong gagawin lang? So, palitan lang natin to, yung value dito. So, ito yung sa second point of intersection. So, isa-substitute ko lang. So, we have here negative 2. Ibig sabihin, negative 2. Ano yung x dun sa second point of intersection? So, negative 1. And then, yung y niya is negative 2. So, we have positive 2 over negative 4. We have negative 1 half. So, negative 1 half dun sa m1. So, dito sa pangalawa, we have 4, diba? 4 over 2y. Ano nga yung y? Negative 2. So, we have 4 over negative 4 is negative 1. So, therefore, ito yung mga slope nila. So, try natin i-substitute dito din ulit. Try natin kung pareho yung magiging value ng point ng angle nila. So, we have negative 1 half and negative 1. So, substitute ko doon. We have tangent. So, dito na lang, erasing ko na to. Basta yung nakuha natin dyan is 18 18.43 yung nakukuha natin angle is 18.43 degrees. So, erasing ko. So, we have, ang substitute natin dito is -1, and then madagdag lang tayo ng mga negative sign, di ba? Kasi nag-negative lang lahat. So, negative, negative. So, we have -3/2 over 1 plus 1/2 is 3/2. Wait lang. Hindi pala 3/2 dun sa itaas kasi ito siya. -1 plus 1/2. So, -1/2. Kasi may minus and then negative sign. So, ito na siya. So, -1/3. So, di ba, i-absolute value natin. Therefore, we have the tangent phi is equal to 1/3. So, we have phi is equal to arctangent 1/3 pa rin. So, we have the same answer. So, kahit alin pala dun sa dalawang point of intersection yung gamitin natin to get the value of the slope of the tangent, pareho lang yung makukuha nating angle. So, yun lang. I hope na natutunan nyo, na-gets nyo yung discussion, ano yung concept. Thank you.